Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to cut and stitch these stylish flounce or ruffle sleeves top. So basically I'm just going to guide you about flounce sleeves I made with this top. So before we dive into our video, just to remind that I offer a beginner sewing course, everything in one place, step-by-step guidance. And if you are interested, I will add the link below. So let's dive into our today's video. I use chiffon fabric for making the flounce, and I have done one previous video how to cut flounce in more detail. So in this video I cut two pieces of circles. Each circle is 10 inches wide. So you can choose any circle. For sleeves we don't need really big circles, so 10 inches circle will be fine. And I cut two pieces because I do not like to hem separate such type of flounce. So I mark the center by folding the fabric, and from the center I am making 1 inch wide circle, small circle of 1 inch wide. And then from the 1 inch circle I will be keep making 2.5 inches wide circle. So now from this mark, and I will start making 2.5 inches circle. So keep marking and keep making that 2.5 inches. You can choose the width of flounce you want, and detailed video I have done previously, and I will add the link, so you can click the link how to make a flounce. So just for the sleeve we don't need really big flounce. Now I am drawing. First of all I'm marking, and after marking I will be start cutting the flounce. After marking I will start fixing this fabric, because these are two pieces and these are chiffon pieces, and when we will cut we don't want the flounce to go here and there. So I'm just fixing them with the pins, then I will start cutting. So in this way that will be easy to stitch, because outer side of the circle we will be stitching and then turn them inside out. Now I am cutting this flounce, and after cutting we will start sewing the outer side of the flounce, and one side will be open so we can iron and turn it inside out. Flounce cutting has finished, and this is how it looks like. So because we use the pins in the center, so the both pieces are still staying in their places. Now we will start stitching on the outer side of this flounce and then turn inside out. And now I have cut the sleeves already, because this video is just for cutting the sleeve and how I'm attaching, so I'm not going in detail of whole blouse. So anyway, we will mark the center of our sleeve. I have done previous video of sleeves as well, you can check my video. So for adding the flounce in this sleeves, we make sure like the front part of our sleeve they're facing toward us, and from the center I will be just marking, at least I know which is the front part, front side we are going to attach. Now from the center I'm marking 3 inches. From the center I'm marking 3 inches, and from this side I will be giving a slight shape. I am not cutting really straight. I will be using my freehand drawing or French curve ruler to draw slightly curved line toward the other end of the sleeve, not right at the edge, just 1 inch up, because I'm adding small cuffs at the end. So I will be not going right at the edge. Now it's time to attach the flounce, and before we start attaching, just make sure flounce is enough and leave some extra flounce, at least 2 inches leave extra. We will cut it later on. So now before we attach, we need to prepare the flounce as well. I have stitched outer side of flounce. Now I'm going to take the pins off and turn this fabric inside out, as you can see, and now I'm going to iron this flounce, so we don't need to do extra hemming. So I have ironed this, and our flounce is ready to attach with our sleeve. So before attaching, face the flounce toward yourself on the right side of your sleeves. Just fix it first and take it under the sewing machine and fix this flounce on one side, and then attach the other half cut piece of the sleeve, and then flounce will be in the center. So this is how they look like. I have attached them. Flounce is in the center of 2 pieces, and now I'm going to add some cuffs at the end of the sleeves. You don't have to, but this is a style I like to make. So edge of these flounce, you can fix them with a pin. Now I'm cutting I'm cutting the cuffs. So according to your arm measurement, just measure your arm, and I am using 2 inches wide cuffs. 2 inches wide mean like I took a fabric 4 inches, and length I'm using 9 inches. So according to your arm measurement, you can take your cuff. How much wider you want is totally up to you. I want 2 inches, so I cut 2 inches wide cuffs. So I just I'm using folded piece of this cuff. Cuff measurement is 9 inches and our sleeve measurement is 12 from the front. So extra fabric I am going to add pleats. So mark the center and make 2 pleats facing each other. So it is totally up to you. You can make little ruffle here as well, but I am adding pleats here in the center. Fix it with the pins and take it under the sewing machine and stitch it. So your sleeves will be ready. So this is how it look like. I have added cuff, and now I am going to attach them with my blouse. So this is how it looks like. See, it looks stylish. It's twisted around the arm, and cuffs as well at the end, so they can easily come out. You can add button cuffs as well, but I don't want to do too much stuff. Just easy one I'm going to make. So I am going to attach with the blouse now. So blouse I have prepared already. It's just a very basic blouse, and I am making sure now the stitches and stitches of the sleeves are matching with the stitches of the blouse, and fix it with the pin so they stay intact. And then take it under your sewing machine and stitch it all around. I have attached the sleeves to this top and it's almost ready. So only neckline is left. It looks quite stylish. And for the neckline, I am going to use bias binding. Bias binding you can get from any haberdashery shop, from Amazon, from eBay, and they are really simple to attach. And after this, my top is ready, and hope you enjoy this video. And thank you very much for watching. Any question, feel free to ask, and if you prefer to give me any ideas for the future video, you are free to do so. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.